So I don't know what it was that he was doing, but maybe it was just, you know, testing the people on the forums, but I just looked at it and it was like, there's a line that shouldn't be there and there should be a line there. And then you look over in the feature tree and it's solid bodies too. Dude, there's your problem. Let me guess, you want the value to be this. So, but you know, like I said, the biggest things are, you know, try not to be too stressed out about time. This would be just a small section because the first part of the CSWP is 80 or 90 minutes. So it'd be a little bit more drawn out than this, but this was a sample test that really shows a lot of the mean things they do.
So on the full test, would it just be this same, just more examples of this?
Yeah,
Okay.
there would probably be, you know, more difficult models.
Mm-hmm.
But I think you would probably build at least 3 different ones. Somebody had said that they just had to build 2 models, but they missed one, so they ended up missing 7 questions. So yeah, it's radically changed, but the thing that I like is if you save everything in here, you can go back to any of those at any time.
Mm-hmm.
One of the big questions is, if SolidWorks crashes, well, fire it back up.
Yeah.
If you lose your internet connection, you're probably hosed. You can try to reconnect, but when that clock starts ticking, you have until time expires, because it'll just stop. You know, I think it was on my surfacing test that I just ran out of time. And it was one of those that, you know, I saw it, and I was just like, yeah. And I think there was 1 or 2 that I didn't answer, but I had enough that I got it right. And that one, you built several different models.
But I'm just surprised this looks, I mean, fairly simple. I mean, it sounds
This
like
is
it's more
really
details,
straightforward, yeah.
He's got to make sure you get the details right. That's just modeling a few models and changing variables. Because I remember, I feel like I took a practice test once and they had actual questions about features in SolidWorks, I thought. Or is that the different one? I mean, this was like 3 years ago I took a practice test in one of these.
I think there may be some actual questions in it. When I took it, the first, I don't know if it might have been 50 questions. The first 50 questions were multiple choice or true false, and it was all really deep SolidWorks questions.
Yeah.
And it was like, holy crap, you know? Because I remember you finish that up and it would pop up your score, and then you'd have to wait for the proctor to come over. And I was like, I'm done, because I got like 68 or something like that. I was like, well, might as well go home. It was fun. And he came over and he's like, no, that's really good for this part of the test. Most people don't do nearly that good. I'm like, oh, okay. But that part was only like 40 points. So.
And you're not sure if they still do that section or not? Or you're
No, that's completely gone.
So what I might have happened, I might have grabbed a practice test off some website, maybe it was old. Because yeah, I remember them asking like, what does the, and they would say some SolidWorks
Like
command.
$sign PRP,
Yeah,
gold sheet.
yeah, and it would say, you know, what does this function do and stuff like that. That's a dip.
Because the funny thing about that was because I got my CSWP, and that was about a year later that I went to work for the bar, and the support technician certification test was all like those questions, but it was like a couple hundred of them. And I was like, well, that looks familiar. I remember, what the
Yeah, I mean, I remember the symbols, I don't remember the words.
yeah. I think it's a much more straightforward test now. And the models might look the same, but the variables, the numbers can be different. Because I don't think, if you took it and you didn't pass and you had to take it again, you wouldn't see the same test. You might see similar parts, but it wouldn't be the exact same test. You couldn't go to your folder and go, oh yeah, here's that part.